Okay, girls. Who wants the one with the microphone? They're all the same. Okay. Alright, you can trade off. Okay, Ella's got the one with the microphone. Eva's got the one with the magnet mount. Your job is to capture as much interesting footage as you can and document the process of our project today. Well, today we've got a family project. We're going to remulch the landscaping around the front of the house, but there's something special about today's video. It's all going to be recorded by my two daughters, Ella and Eva.
I got the cat attack.
The first thing we need to do is unload the wood trailer so that we can go get mulch, all right? So let's go.
Dig Drive DIY.
All right, let's get this trailer load of wood unloaded so we can go get our mulch. You girls have to help. You can't just video the whole time. Well, trailer's all clean. Good job, girls. Time to go to the mulch store. Let's go get some black mulch. Thank you. Okay, we're back with our mulch. Let's eat first, and then we'll get to work. All right, we're gonna try to trim up the edge a little bit, do a little edging, get that ledge out of there, that dirt. Then we'll be ready to put mulch. A little more edge.
Worms.
This is a nice little edger that I've had for a long time. It's called a hound dog. I've got a powered edger, but this works sometimes just as well for situations like this. I've had to weld it up a few times. And I also wanted to show you the size difference between the baby shovel and a regular shovel. The baby shovel is the way to go. You don't have to work nearly as hard to make this one go fast. I think if you do any kind of tile work or landscaping work or edging work, you should have a baby shovel. I carry one on my back all the time. Okay, back up a little bit. This is my last wheelbarrow load of dirty mulch. Only if I had a little tractor I could use to like carry this around. It would be so handy.
You know what would be really nice?
What?
Is after this, if we could go jump in the pond. That'd be
We don't
fun.
have a pond. What should we do about that?
Overflow a few bathtubs.
Ready to start laying it down?
Yep.
Let's lay it down. Now I can make hay.
Whoop whoop. George. This is where I poop.
The biggest toilet I've ever seen.
I want to see what he does. We're gonna have a black cat instead of a
Yeah.
orange cat.
How's it going, Eva?
No matter if it's new mulch or
Going
mulch,
pretty
it's
good.
always coming out.
But also, I would rather be working on
Like some sort of little
something
stake
else.
you could
Some
like hook
getting
it
really
with
hungry.
and go up against the house.
Same.
Just eat. Yeah, really. They do have succulents. Or something, or wherever you think it was.
Last scoop. Too much right there. Now how does that look?
Perfection.
Oh, looks amazing.
We done?
Daddy
We're
just
all
has to
done.
put the rock in place.
You gotta put the rock in. Lift with your back.
Lift with your arms.
Your leg.
Your arms
Like
and
that?
your legs.
Bring it out just a little bit.
Out where?
Towards, yeah, the corner, just a fuzz. Yeah, that's perfection. It's for when I do the hose, then it doesn't get in the mulch and the landscaping.
Yeah.
So then it just protects everything. That's why I have one on that corner too.
Guess we're all done, you guys.
Maybe we should just do all around the trees. What do you think?
We don't have any more mulch.
Let's do one last look around. How does it look?
Spectacular.
I think it looks like it brings out the green in the bushes.
It makes them pop.
Comment down below
Back
how
up.
it looks. Sorry, blooper, not bleeper.
Well, I think it turned out pretty good. We're all set for the upcoming birthday party for a couple twins that I know. But you guys did a heck of a job filming it. I flew the drone, but the girls did all the handheld shots and the time lapses. So nice job. Since you guys filmed, I'm gonna let you close it out. Do you remember what I say?
Clicking on this video. Hope you liked it. Can you do it one more time? We'll see you guys in the next one.
Thank you for clicking on this
No!
video. Thanks for clicking on this video. We hope you make
That can be a bleeper.
Thanks for clicking on this video. We hope you liked it. And if we're lucky, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Nice job. Nice job.
I forgot I have this. We still have more to go.
We're not done.
Mom!
Burn it.
Here's Neil planting the first tree. Perfect. I said next year, then we'll add like some annuals, you know, just put some flowers around. And that's enough. Now we're ready for the bushes.
Huh?